As you know, the past 2 weeks we have not been making any videos. It was because we were on vacations in Balochistan, Quetta. I will come back to my routine of making informative videos soon enough, but before that, I want to share my vacations in Quetta, Balochistan with you people. Hope you enjoy this video. Welcome to our YouTube channel Backpack. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this. As you know, Balochistan is the biggest province of Pakistan with a beautiful culture of its own. When we went to Quetta the next day, we along with all our other cousins decided to go to Deputy Commissioner Rest House Hanna. Hanna is a beautiful valley in Balochistan with a shimmering beautiful lake. It was 4 o'clock when we arrived at the DC Rest House Hanna. It was a very mesmerizing place with hills behind the beautiful lodges. There were big gardens with beautiful old-fashioned hanging lamps all around. There was a big fountain in the middle of the garden. The place was surrounded with old trees. This wasn't the first time we had come here, but this time with the new constructions, this place seemed even more beautiful. The place I am entering is the Chief Minister Lodge where we had our sitting arrangement. The house was very well furnished with a hanging chandelier on the ceiling. As you can see, the ceilings and the fans are having a great effect because of their old-fashioned look. This is the place where the men were arranging our tea. And here is the beautiful view of the Blue Mosque. For our tea, we had delicious pasta with mini pizzas and pastries. After our tea, we played and had races. After sunset, the servants started preparing our barbecue. While waiting for our barbecue, all of us were sitting in the lawn chatting and having fun. As you can see, our barbecue was getting ready. The smell of the barbecue in the hills of Hanna produced a great effect to the surroundings, which increased our appetite. Our new video about our trip to Ziyarat is coming up. Be sure to watch it. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos.